Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best Midea air conditioner in the 12,000 BTU class. This is the Portable Air Conditioner 12,000 BTU, 2025 upgraded model by Gardencoin. Packed with efficiency, thoughtful design, and smart functionality, this unit is made to keep your space cool, dry, and comfortable all year round. Now let's dive into why this air conditioner is not just another cooling device, but a complete home comfort solution. Starting with design, the first thing you'll notice is the sleek and modern exterior. It features a hidden handle, no visible screws, and a beautiful white and black patchwork finish. The curved vent toggles and decorative grills on the top and sides add a sense of sophistication, making it look more like a smart appliance than a clunky machine. There's also an infrared remote receiver integrated smoothly into the body for wireless control without awkward placement. Under the hood, this AC unit offers powerful performance with a 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, ideal for cooling areas up to 550 square feet. It uses a GMCC compressor, known for its efficiency and reliability, along with an all-copper tube condenser. This ensures strong performance without the need for water hookups under normal environmental conditions. But it's not just cooling. This is a true 3-in-1 system. Alongside air conditioning, you get dehumidification and fan modes. The unit can absorb up to 56 pints of water per day in dehumidifier mode, tackling humidity issues even in the dampest climates. The fan includes 2 speed settings, both of which are available in cooling mode, with airflow covering up to 16 feet effectively. Controlling the unit is simple and intuitive. It includes both a mechanical push-button control panel and an LCD remote control. The mechanical panel is particularly useful during summer months when hands are sweaty and touchscreens can be frustrating. The remote offers up to 20 feet of range and makes it easy to toggle between modes or activate special features like automatic left-right wind swing. The up-down wind direction can also be manually adjusted to get airflow exactly where you want it. Setting it up is easy, thanks to the self-contained window installation kit. There's no need for professional installation or complicated tools. With 360-degree rollers and recessed handles, it's highly mobile, perfect for moving between rooms or even locations, ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or offices. When the season changes, just clean the filters, store it, and it's ready for use again next year. Despite all this power, it's impressively quiet, operating at under 50 decibels. You can comfortably sleep through the night using its sleep mode, which works alongside the customizable 24-hour timer to deliver comfort exactly when you need it. This model also boasts a CEER rating of 7.0, meaning it's highly energy efficient. It's certified by DOE, CSA, and CEC, giving you peace of mind in terms of both safety and power consumption. Voltage compatibility is 120 volts, which is standard for North American homes. If you plan to use it internationally, just make sure you have a compatible converter. Finally, Gardencoin includes a free 1-year parts repair or replacement warranty. Their customer service is responsive and attentive, making the overall experience reassuring and dependable. So whether you're dealing with scorching summer heat, battling humidity, or simply want fresh circulating air with minimal noise, this 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner delivers an all-in-one solution with class, efficiency, and convenience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering this air conditioner, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next video.